All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to look at the world of digital assets and see just how easy it is to share, send, or even gift your favorite NFTs.
You know that feeling, right? You're scrolling through your collection and you see something and think, oh man, my friend would absolutely love this. Or maybe you just want to send a cool digital collectible over to another one of your own wallets. Well, if that's you are in exactly the right place.
Sharing is just how we connect as people. I mean, think about it. From mixtapes way back when to photos now, we've always shared the things we love. And now that so much of our world is digital, well, our most valuable stuff is digital too. Sending it to someone should be just as easy. But let's be real for a second. The whole process can feel a little intimidating, can it? You see those super long, complicated addresses, and you get this fear of making a tiny mistake that could be, well, costly. It really, really doesn't have to be that way. The right tool can make it totally simple and honestly, kind of fun. And that's where our tool for today comes into the picture. We're going to be using the Xova wallet, which is designed from the ground up to make navigating this Web3 world feel straightforward and totally secure. What's great about Xova is that it gives you this really clean, simple interface that's all about helping you unlock the potential of your crypto assets. It's built to help you step into this new digital world with confidence, which makes it the perfect guide for what we're about to do. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the step-by-step. First things first, we've got to find the NFT we actually want to send. So let's take a look at how that works inside the app. So once you're in the app, you'll see your main wallet view. You've got your balance right up top, and then right below that, there's your gallery with all your awesome NFTs. From here, we're just going to tap on the one we're ready to send. Seriously, this whole first part breaks down into just two simple taps. First, just make sure you're on the Wallet tab at the very bottom of the screen. And second, tap the NFT you want to move and bam, you'll see that transfer button pop up. Easy enough, right?
All right, next up, the destination. We've just told Xova what we want to send. Now we just need to tell it where it's supposed to go.
And this brings us to the final screen. Look how clean and simple this is. It's just asking for two key pieces of info before your asset is off and on its way. Now, one of those fields is for the recipient address. If you're new to all this, please don't let that long string of random letters and numbers intimidate you. Just think of it exactly like an email address. That's all it is. It's just a unique destination for digital stuff, and all you have to do is copy and paste it correctly. Okay, so these last two actions are absolutely critical. First, you've got to select the correct network. Think of this like the digital highway your NFT is going to travel on. It has to match the recipient's highway, whether that's Ethereum or Polygon or something else. Then you're going to carefully paste in that wallet address. And trust me, always, always double check it. So, we've picked our NFT, we've entered the destination, we've double checked that everything looks good. Are you ready to do this? Let's complete the transfer. And just like that, with one final tap, your amazing digital collectible is flying across the blockchain to its new home. It's pretty cool when you think about it. All that's left to do is hit that big orange Transfer NFT button. As soon as you tap it, the wallet just takes care of all the complicated stuff for you. You know, that feeling of sending your first NFT is awesome. You've literally just moved a unique digital item across the world in a matter of seconds. So let's do a super quick recap. The whole shebang boils down to just three simple stages. First, find your NFT. Second, enter the recipient's address and double check it. And third, just confirm and send. That is literally all there is to it. Knowing how to securely manage and move your own assets is such a fundamental skill in Web3. It puts you in complete control. So the real question is, with this new power at your fingertips, what are you going to explore or create or share next? The possibilities are wide open.